Most people open a business bank account without thinking twice. You just pick the one your parents used or whatever your old job had and you roll with it. But the truth is, most of those old school banks quietly chip away at your balance with hidden fees, weird limits, and slow transfers. So when someone tells you there's a free business bank account like Lili, it sounds almost too good to be true. Hey, I'm Erin, your money friend, and today we're diving straight into Lili Business Banking in 2025. I am breaking down exactly what free actually means here, what you get for your money, and whether it's truly worth signing up for. Why so many people are switching from traditional banks. People aren't switching to digital banks because it's trendy. They're switching because traditional banks have become exhausting. You've probably experienced this yourself. There are random overdraft fees, balance minimums that trap you, and waiting days for customer service to fix something absolutely simple. It's frustrating and it adds up. If you're a freelancer, creator, or small business owner, that stress is multiplied because your income isn't always predictable. That's where Lili steps in. It takes the guesswork out of banking and makes managing money actually feel simple. You can log in, see exactly where your money is going, and never worry about surprise fees. It's built for people who juggle multiple income streams, clients, projects, invoices, and not people with one predictable paycheck. Honestly, that's why so many people are switching. It's about finding something that works for how you live and learn. What is Lili? Lili is a digital business bank, which just means it's an online-only platform that replaces the need to walk into a traditional branch. It's made for freelancers, creators, and small business owners who want to simplify money management without having to learn complicated accounting software. Here's what that really means. When you get paid, Lili automatically moves part of that income into different buckets. One might be for taxes, one for savings, and one for spending. It also tracks every expense automatically, labels it for you, and even tells you how much is safe to spend. So you're never guessing or pulling out a calculator. There's no spreadsheets, no math, no stress. When you log in, the dashboard shows you exactly where your money is going. You'll see your income, your outgoing bills, and how much you can safely use without dipping into tax money or savings. If you've ever been hit with overdraft fees, surprise charges, or that end of the month panic where you don't know where your money went, this kind of visibility is going to be a game changer. It's like having a personal assistant for your money, keeps everything organized for you. If you want to try it out for yourself, use my link below. You'll get 40% off for 3 months when you sign up. Now let's talk through what Lili actually looks like inside, because once you see how clean and simple it is, it'll click why so many freelancers are switching. Number 1, banking designed for your business. Lili empowers your business with the banking fees you need while eliminating the hidden fees that you don't. The first page highlights the heart of what makes Lili different. It's built for small businesses. You'll see options like bank transfer, ACH, international wire transfer, and mail a check, meaning everything you need to move money is in one place. It also shows off Lili's 3.00% APY savings rate, which is higher than most traditional banks. That means your money isn't just sitting, it is going to be growing. For freelancers or small business owners, having a single platform that handles both savings and spendings is huge. You're not jumping between 5 different apps just to see where your money is. Lili's focus on simplicity makes it easy for anyone, even if you've never used a business account before, to stay organized. Online banking wherever you need it. Next, Lili shows off its mobile-first dashboard. You can log in from your laptop or phone and get the exact same clean view. The dashboard shows your balance, savings, expenses, and even upcoming transactions. You can categorize income and expenses automatically, which helps you see how much is going towards subscriptions, vendors, or software. The key here is flexibility, whether you're working from home, at a coffee shop, or traveling. Lili lets you manage everything real time. You're not waiting to get back to a desktop. You can literally pay a vendor, check your balance, or send a wire while standing at Starbucks. Team access and fast payments. This part is where Lili becomes a tool for collaboration. You can add team members, accountants, or partners and give them limited access to financial data. That means your accountant can view reports without touching your money. It keeps everything safe but accessible. The fast payment system is another big win. You can send funds instantly through Express ACH or wire transfers, which helps if you need to pay contractors or vendors quickly. For growing freelancers or micro businesses, this saves so much time. There's no more manually sending screenshots to your accountant or waiting 3 days for transfers to clear. Everything happens in one platform and you can control the access. Multiple business accounts under a single login. Finally, one of the best features for people juggling different income streams, you can manage multiple businesses from one login. Lili lets you open up to 4 business accounts and track them separately, all under one dashboard. If you freelance, consult, or run a side hustle, this is game-changing. You can switch between businesses in seconds without mixing up funds. This is where Lili really stands out. It gives you a bird's eye view of your entire financial life while keeping everything organized. Your money actually earns. Plus, with 3% APY savings on balances up to $1 million, your money actually earns while you work. Is Lili actually free? Let's break it down. Here's where people get confused. Lili is free, but it also has plans depending on how much control and automation you want. Let's break them down one by one. Lili Basic is free. This one's great if you're new to freelancing or just testing the waters. You'll get a free Visa business debit card, no monthly fees or minimum balance, early direct deposit, you can get paid up to 2 days early, and automatic savings and expense tracking tools. This plan is best for beginners or side hustlers who want something simple that just works. Lili Pro is $9 a month and was $15 a month. You get 40% off for 3 months. Once your business starts growing, the Pro plan gives you extra protection and benefits. You'll get overdraft protection up to $2, cashback rewards on purchases, advanced expense tracking and reports. These features might sound small, but they save you real money and time, especially if you're managing recurring payments or expenses. Lili Smart is $21 a month. Now we're stepping into the automation zone. With Smart, Lili helps you manage your business like a pro. You'll get full accounting tools, no more spreadsheets, automated tax savings, real-time insights into spending and cash flow. This plan basically becomes your built-in financial assistant. It's ideal for people managing multiple clients, invoices, or contracts. Lili Premium, $33 a month. Premium is the top tier plan, and it's designed for people scaling fast. You'll get access to business credit building tools, priority customer support, up to 3% APY on savings, and every feature from lower tiers plus full control over your finances. This plan matters because it helps you grow long-term, building credit in your business name so you can eventually get loans or investments without using personal credit. Each plan offers more automation, support, and long-term benefits. The best part, you can switch between these anytime as your business evolves. Common mistakes people make with Lili. A lot of people sign up for Lili and don't take advantage of what makes it powerful. Here are the top mistakes to avoid. Number 1, mixing personal and business funds. Keeping them separate helps you track income and expenses clearly and keeps tax time smooth. Number 2, not using the tax automation feature. Lili automatically sets aside a percentage of your income for taxes. If you skip this, you'll be scrambling later. Number 3, ignoring the business credit tools. Building credit early matters. Lili Premium helps you establish credibility for loans, financing, and bigger opportunities down the road. Number 4, not checking analytics regularly. Lili's dashboard gives insight into where your money goes. Ignoring it means missing opportunities to save and plan better. Number 5, paying for a plan you don't use. Start free, test what you need, and only upgrade when it genuinely helps. Avoid these, and Lili can save you hours of time and thousands in tax stress. Q&A, common questions about Lili. Can I use Lili if I'm just freelancing part-time? Absolutely. Lili was built with freelancers and side hustlers in mind. You don't need an LLC or a registered business. As long as you're earning self-employed income, you can open an account. Does Lili work internationally? Right now, Lili is focused on US-based users. You can still make purchases abroad with your debit card, but the account itself is designed for US businesses and freelancers. How safe is my money with Lili? Lili is FDIC insured up to $250,000 through its banking partners, just like a traditional bank. Your money is protected even though it's digital first. Can I deposit cash or checks? You can deposit checks digitally through the app, but for cash, you'll need to use one of their partner locations like Green Dot. There's usually a small fee depending on where you go. How does Lili compare to other business banks like Relay or Mercury? Lili is more beginner friendly. It focuses on simplicity, automation, and helping freelancers who are just starting to separate business and personal finances. Relay and Mercury are great for startups with multiple accounts or larger teams, but Lili wins on ease of use. At the end of the day, what makes Lili stand out is how approachable it is. You don't need to be a financial expert or run a huge company to manage your money smarter. Whether you're freelancing on the side or building your first business, Lili helps you automate the boring stuff so you can focus on what actually makes you money. If you're curious, use my link below to try Lili. You'll get 40% off for 3 months. I'm Erin, your money friend, and if you like this breakdown, make sure to hit subscribe because we're diving into even more tools that'll help you make, save, and grow your money smarter in 2025.